Welcome to the world of Rolls-Royce, where time stands still and luxury knows no bounds. Today, we're diving into the exquisite Cullinan Series II, a testament to timeless elegance and unparalleled craftsmanship. The Cullinan Series II represents the most extensive update Rolls-Royce has ever undertaken, with enhancements designed to meet the evolving demands of luxury and sophistication. From illuminated Pantheon grilles to sleek new air intakes, every detail of the Cullinan's exterior has been meticulously crafted to command attention and evoke a sense of prestige. As the average age of Rolls-Royce owners continues to decrease, the Cullinan Series II caters to a new generation of luxury enthusiasts who demand both refinement and performance. Step inside the opulent cabin of the Cullinan Series II, where handcrafted materials and cutting-edge technology seamlessly blend to create a sanctuary of comfort and indulgence. In a world where automotive beauty defies convention, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II sets a new standard of elegance and sophistication. Experience luxury redefined with the Cullinan Series II. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive insights into the world of luxury automotive excellence.